Tired of homemade soya milk that spoils too quickly? Today I will show you the secret to making fresh creamy soya milk that stays fresh for days without preservatives. But here is the catch: one simple mistake can ruin it fast, so stick around till the end of the video to see the magic. Let's get started. So the first thing to do is to soak our soya beans for about 6 hours or soak it overnight. I used about 2 cups of beans and soak it overnight the next day. Okay, if you don't want it to really ferment, you can change the water in the course of soaking. So after that, I strain out the liquid and wash it very well. I washed about 2 times. Okay, so after washing and everything, the next thing to do is to cook the beans for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is where the magic happens. Cooking the beans before blending will help to increase the shell life. This is the number 1 trick to making a long-lasting soya milk. Remove the beans from the fire after cooking, then strain out the liquid and then wash it with cold water. Allow this to cool before blending. You can blend it in a powerful blender, or better still, use a commercial blending machine in your area. So after blending, add some water into this with your spoon or spatula. Stir everything together. Using a cheesecloth, not milk bag, or a fine sieve, strain out the liquid as much as possible until the milk is totally removed and the pulp taken out. The pulp can be used in making other recipes, or you can use it to feed your animals. Okay, so after that, I strain out the liquid again. You can see from the sieve that there is some tiny particles in it. So once done, place the milk on the fire and let this cook for about 30 good minutes. Don't be far away when cooking this milk because it easily splashes and it can cover up the whole pot in few minutes. Okay, so stir it from time to time until it is well cooked. While the milk is cooking, let's talk about the health and nutritional benefit of soya milk. Soya milk are high in quality protein. Soya milk contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, which is beneficial for muscle growth and repair. They also support heart health. They also help to regulate blood sugar. They help to support hormonal balance, and also they are very lactose free and dairy free, making it a great alternative for lactose intolerant individuals and those trying to avoid dairy products. When the milk is cooked and cold, thick firm layer will be formed on top of the milk. So use your spoon and take that off and then stir the remaining one in the pot. In the last soya milk I made, it was a bit thicker, but today I made it lighter. Okay, so you can make it to any consistency of your choice. Okay, stir that together and then I strained it out again to remove any lump. I prepared a lump-free soya milk. Can you beat that? Then add any sweetener of your choice. You can use your sugar, honey, dates, but today I am using sugar. Okay, I stirred that together and then I added vanilla flavor. You can add strawberry or any flavor you so desire. Add about 2 spoons of that and stir together. Another secret to making a very long-lasting soya milk is that you should allow it to get cold before storing it in a jar or any container. Okay, so when it is now cold, pour everything in the jar and then bottle it up. Keep in your fridge or freezer, and this milk can last for weeks if you really make it this way without getting spoiled. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video till this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can't get to miss any beautiful and interesting videos, as I'll be bringing to you new videos every week. So until next week when I come again, God bless you and bye.